Click Setup. The Setup page opens in a new tab. In the Setup Quick Find box, search for and select Einstein Setup. Ensure the Turn on Einstein toggle is set to On. Add experience data. Create 2 new resort events to use as test data in Prompt Builder. First, add a karaoke night event with details like date, time, and location. Next, create a morning yoga event for guests to enjoy a relaxing start to the day. In your custom playground, click the App Launcher and enter Experience in the search bar. Click Experiences. Then click New to create a new experience record. For experience name, enter Family Karaoke Night. Set the activity level to low and enter a capacity of 50 guests. For default start time, select 6 p.m. Finally, paste the provided description text into the description field. Join us for Family Karaoke Night and sing your heart out with your loved ones. It's a fun-filled evening where you can showcase your talent, laugh together, and create unforgettable memories. For duration, enter 2. For location, enter Melody Lounge. For type, select Family and Kids Activities. Click Save and New. Next, you create a yoga event. For experience name, enter Sunrise Yoga. For activity level, select Medium. For capacity, enter 35. For default start time, select 7 a.m. In description, paste, "Start your day with sunrise yoga on the beach, where you can stretch under the warm morning sun and listen to the soothing sound of the waves. It's the perfect way to feel refreshed and ready for a fun day ahead." For duration, enter 1. For location, enter Cocoa Shore. For type, select Fitness and Exercise. Click Save. With the data ready, it's time to create a new Flex Prompt template. This step establishes the foundation for your prompt. Create a Flex template. Click Settings and select Setup. In the Quick Find box, enter Prompt, then click Prompt Builder. Click New Prompt Template. Complete the template setup by selecting Prompt Template Type, Flex. Prompt Template Name, New Guest Newsletter. API Name, New_guest_newsletter. Template Description, Newsletter for incoming resort guests. For Flex templates, you can add up to 5 resources. Under Inputs, Optional, add the first resource with the object type. Name, reservation. Source type, object. Object, external reservation. To add the second resource, click Add, then enter Name, Experience. API name, Experience. Source type, object. Object, Experience. Click Next. The prompt workspace opens. Excellent. For this scenario, a sample prompt is already provided to help you get started with creating the resort newsletter. Notice that the prompt includes merge fields for guest reservation details and resort experience information. These merge fields allow the template to dynamically personalize the newsletter for each guest. The prompt also includes clear instructions for the AI. It defines the tone, structure, reservation details, experience information, and the final call to action. You'll also notice that the instructions encourage conversational language, active voice, and concise writing. This helps generate newsletters that are engaging, personalized, and easy to read. Now, let's create the newsletter. Paste the following text into the prompt workspace. You're the director of fun at Coral Cloud Resorts writing a newsletter to welcome the new guest and inform them of upcoming activities during their stay. The purpose of the newsletter is to get guests excited about staying at the resort. When I ask you to create the newsletter, you must strictly follow my instructions below. Introduce the resort in a newsletter no longer than 3 paragraphs. Inform the guests about their reservation using the following details. Check-in, check-in date. Check-out, check-out date. Room selection, room type. Experiences during your stay. Experience name, experience details. Location, experience location. Use clear conversational language in the newsletter. Keep the tone engaging and professional. Avoid filler words, redundancy, and negative descriptions. End with a call to action, encouraging readers to visit our website to explore these offers. Add merge fields. Delete the new guest and insert the merge field reservation/external guest/first name. Delete check-in date and insert the merge field reservation/check-in date. Delete checkout date and insert the merge field reservation/checkout date. Delete room type and insert the merge field reservation room type. Delete experience name and insert the merge field experience/experience name. Delete experience location and insert the merge field experience/location. Delete experience details and insert the merge field experience/description. Under Models, select OpenAI GPT-4 Omni Mini. Click Save. Test the prompt. Click Preview to open Preview settings. In the Reservation field, type and select any reservation. In the Experience field, type Sun and select Sunrise Yoga. Click Preview and review the generated output of your prompt template. In the Generated Response section, you can see how the reservation and experience data personalizes the newsletter for your guest.